Hello, this is Take a Shop. Today, I'll be repairing wow and Flutter issues on the Technics SL-1200. The original SL-1200 is an excellent turntable, but these units are now quite old. Because of that, it's not uncommon to see units with unstable rotation, also known as wow. In this case, the cause turned out to be a deteriorated electrolytic capacitor. In this video, I'll show the visual behavior of the strobe markings and the measured wow values. Then I'll show how much improvement can be achieved by replacing the capacitor. First, let's check the condition before the repair.
I'll start with 33.33 RPM. You can see the strobe markings slowly moving left and right. Under normal conditions, the markings should appear completely stationary, but on this unit, they are visibly oscillating. The measured wow value is 0.29%. Next is 45 RPM. The strobe markings are also moving left and right here. The wow value is 0.25%. For a well-maintained high-quality turntable, wow and Flutter values are generally around 0.02% or even lower. Compared to that, these readings are quite poor. Also, both 33.33 RPM and 45 RPM show similar symptoms. That suggests the problem is likely coming from a component shared by both speed control circuits. One likely suspect is the electrolytic capacitors around the servo control circuit. On this SL-1200, I found that capacitor C11 was faulty. It is the larger of the two capacitors located near the center of the board. Now I'll replace it.
Replacement complete. Now let's check 33.33 RPM again. The strobe markings now appear stable, with almost no visible movement. The wow value improved to 0.02%. Next is 45 RPM. Again, the strobe markings appear stable. The wow value also improved to 0.02%. With vintage turntables, the platter may appear to rotate normally at first glance, even when internal components have already deteriorated. If your SL-1200 shows symptoms such as drifting strobe markings, slightly unstable pitch, or wavering piano notes in sustained tones, there's a good chance deteriorated capacitors may be the cause. It may be worth checking the servo circuit capacitors on your unit as well. At Take a Shop, I create videos focused on maintenance and repair of vintage Technics turntables. I also sell service turntables and repair parts on eBay and Etsy. Please check them out. Thank you for watching.